The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new gaming-centric phone under Turbo series in India called Redmi Turbo 5. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi Turbo 5 features a tall 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset paired with Mali G720MC8 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi Turbo 5 features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 7,540 mAh battery with 100 watts hyper-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Hyper OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69K certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes advanced 3D ice loop cooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.53 by 75.19 by 8.18 millimeters, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Turbo 5 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 37,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 40,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 19th. In asphalt black, nitro blue, and turbo white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Turbo 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.